Yellow. Welcome to Pinch's class. My name is Job Joram. I am going to take you through P1, P5 Worksheet 1 SST subject. Remember, SST comes with RE, that is religious education. Are you ready? Let's go straight away into the answers. Number 1. Examples of block mountains in Uganda. We have Mountain Rwenzori. I would only talk about Mountain Rwenzori because it's the most common one, and remember, it's the highest mountain in Uganda. Number 2, the map of a port is shown there, so you can see the map of a port there. And then number 3, garden tools. We have a lot of garden tools. We have hoe, rake, wheelbarrow, and many others. Garden tools. Number 4, we get education service from school. So the school provides education service. Let's go to number 5. Number 5, Bantu. Actually, Bantu is the biggest tribe. Biggest ethnic group, and it has got a lot of tribes here: Baganda, Banyakole, Basoga, Bagisu, which other? Forgotten. But there are very many. I cannot finish all of them. Okay, let's go to number 6. Number 6. A scale helps a map reader to measure the actual distance of places on a map. So, when there is no scale on a map, you won't know the actual distance of the ground. Okay. Number 7. A sketch map is a map drawn without a scale, like the map you see there. So in case there is a map without a scale, that's known as a sketch map. Number 8. So they have told us, mention the degrees southeast from east. Those degrees, as you can see on that compass, they're going to be 45 degrees. They're 45 degrees. Number 9, a compass is used to find directions. Yes, it is used to show directions, to find directions on a map. Number 10, in Uganda, we have these districts in the central region. We have Kampala, Nakasongola, Mityana, Mpigi, and many others, as you can see on that map there. Let's go to number 11. The sun is in the west in the evening, so that's why we shall be seeing the shadows of objects in the east during the evening time, because the sun is in the west in the evening. And the last number for SST, number 12, the country that neighbors Uganda to the north is known as South Sudan. Yes, South Sudan. So let's go to the next part of SST, and that is religious education. Remember, here you're supposed to answer only one part. You're not supposed to answer everything. So if you know Christianity, you can answer Christianity, and if you know Islamic, you can answer Islam. Okay, let's go to number 13. Jesus performed his first miracle in a place called Cana. Yes, that place is known as Cana, and I hope you know which miracle he performed. He turned water into wine. Yes, in Cana. And then for Or, Prophet Muhammad was born in Mecca. You see that place there? That place is known as Mecca. Yes. Number 14. Either the man who climbed a tree to see Jesus was known as Zacchaeus. I'm not attacking, but some of you are very short like Zacchaeus. Okay, the guy was called Zacchaeus. Okay, and for Or, impurities in Islam means a specific amount of particular things that stops you from being able to perform the prayer. prayer. So those are known as impurities. Okay, number 15, either. God created man to take care of his creations. So God wanted man to take care of the creations he made. And I think this will also apply to the or. So the answer applies to both of them. Let's go to number 16, either. We learn to be patient. We learn to be patient. The prodigal son, I hope you know the story of the prodigal son, but if you don't know it, for those who go to church, you better go to church and ask your Sunday school teacher or your priest about, or your parents about the prodigal son. And for all, we learn to be kind. Prophet Muhammad was a kind man, and he was humble, so we learn to be kind from him. Number 17, either. We have Jesus had a lot of apostles, but remember the number was 12, though one of them betrayed him. But let's first look at the rest. He had John, he had Matthew, he had Luke, Simon Peter, and many others. Yeah, they were very many. And then the last number for today for all, the obligatory prayers in Islam are Fajr, Zuhur, Asr, Maghrib, and Isha. Okay, now don't mind about me struggling with these words, but I'm trying. To all my Muslim friends, I salute you. Okay, so for now we're going to stop here for SST. I don't know how you've performed. You can share with us on our different social media platforms on your screen, and please endeavor to do corrections, because corrections are very, very, very important, because you'll be revised. Actually, this is to help you revise. Okay, we meet in our next video, and for now we say ciao ciao.